Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2012 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, power sunroof, power driver's seat, navigation system, stability control, heated seats, backup camera, Bluetooth, power steering. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.